Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about speech to text with the help of Laravel AI SDK. If you want to work with speech to text with the help of Laravel AI SDK, we need Laravel 13 version. So to work with Laravel 13 version, we need PHP 8.3 above versions. If you don't know how to set up this, please find a video under the video description and complete the setup and come back to this. Let us jump into the action. First, let us create one controller for speech to text. Yeah, controller got created. First, open the controller. Class is created. Let us have one function, index function. Let me load the view. This is a view. So first, let us create a blade file with name speech to text. I have prepared some HTML for this, but if you can see the form, and here we are allowing the user to upload, and there is an option called diarization. I will tell you what is the meaning of it, and after that, any prompt you require. That's all with a submit button. And the result, once the API SDK send the result back to you, we are going to display the result with the transcription. Now, let me define a route for this. Go to web.php. First load the controller. Yeah, controller got loaded, as well as let me define a route for the index method. Yeah, this is a method. So AI STT demo. Let me copy this and go to the browser and run this. So this is a preview. Speech to text today. And if you can see, here is the place where we are going to upload an audio file only, not video files. You have to allow only allowable file extensions also we have mentioned here. Diarization. What is the meaning of diarization? So when two or more people speaking together in a conversation, so it is going to convert this into homogeneous segments based on the speaker identity. Simply said, who spoke when. That is the meaning of diarization. As well as any prompt you want, yes, you can give the prompt also here. This is what our preview. Now it's time to jump into the controller, and where we need to create one function, and by creating the function we can proceed. So this is the controller. I'm going to create one function. Yeah, function ready. So first we need to validate the form. So especially we have to allow the audio files only, and with the individual error messages, I have already prepared some kind of validations. If you can see this validation part, the audio is required, and what type of extensions, what type of files and what type of extensions that we are allowing here, especially, and the size of the extension also. Diarize, nullable, it is a Boolean optional, and this is a cleanup prompt is also nullable. I mean, both are optional. And these are the individual error messages. If you're uploading any type of invalid, so these messages will be displayed in the blade template. Then now we are done with the validation. Now we have to load the file also. Go to the top and load the file here. Yeah, file is also loaded. We did the validation part. Now it's time to collect the information that you have selected in the form. First, let me get the audio file that you have uploaded. Yeah, that is the audio file from the request object we are collecting. After that, we have to get diarize as well as cleanup prompt. Yeah, diarize, I collected the diarize. Now it's time to collect the cleanup prompt. We collected the cleanup prompt also. After collecting all the information, let me check the audio file is invalid. Then we need to send back to the UI with an error message. Please upload a valid file to transcribe. Now, so this uploaded file also we have to import. Go to the top and we have to import this. Yeah, uploaded file is also imported. Now let's implement the business logic here within try catch block. So if there is any error while processing the audio into transcribe, then that error message will send back to the UI and where we can display the error message. Let's create a variable for transcription. I am generating the transcription by using this method under the transcription class. This class we need to import. And for this, we are allowing the uploaded audio file, the array is true or false, and the timeout. Now, this transcription needs to be imported from Laravel AI. Go to the top and import this. Yeah, transcription class is also imported. By doing this, we are going to get the raw transcript that we need to convert into a string. Now we need to get the final output with some kind of instructions. Final output. So for this, I'm going to write one method, resolve final output. It will accept the raw transcript as well as the cleanup prompt. So this method I need to define. Here we have to write the instructions with the agent. The agent function also we need to import. First, let me write the function. This function accepts two parameters, that is a raw transcript as well as cleanup prompt, and it is going to return the string as well. That's all. So now it's time to write the logic here. Already, if you watch the previous video, we did the same story here with the agent function. We are going to provide some instructions. Let us see how we can provide the instructions. If you can watch the previous video, we use the same agent method for providing the instructions. This is the final output, and that the final output we are going to return to this. One more thing, this agent function also we need to import. Go to the top and import the agent function as well. Use. Yeah, agent function is also imported. After getting the final output, we have to send the result to the front end. Yeah. So the file name you have uploaded as well as the erase is enabled or not, cleanup prompt, and the raw transcript. This is coming from the API and the final output. So these are the segments that we are collecting from the API. Now this result we need to send back to the UI. Yeah, result was sent to the browser. I hope you are done. Now it's time to define this method, transcribe audio inside my web.php. Yeah, transcribe audio is a function with the name of the route is AI media.sdt. Now it's time to assign this to my blade file. This is the blade file. Here we can take this is route and add the named route here. That's all. So I think on submit, it will go to AI media STD. That is nothing but our transcribe function. Now it is time to run the application. Go to the browser and just refresh the page and let us see, do you have any errors? Right now there is no errors. Let me choose an audio file. So this is one audio file I'm selecting, and these are audio files already we have generated in the last session. I mean, in the last video, that is nothing but text to speech. Let me choose. I'm just choosing this, and let me transcribe the audio. We are getting error. Sorry, I forgot to load this validator class also. Let's go to the controller and let me try to load the validator. Yeah, validator class loaded. Go back and let us try to select a audio file. I'm going to select this. Let us click the transcribe audio. Defined variable raw transcript. Sorry, spelling mistake again. Raw transcript, raw transcript. Both are matched. Go back again. Right. Let us refresh it. Select the file. Let us see this time. Yeah, again spell mistake. Correct it. Fine. Go back. Yeah, this time I got the output. Can you see now? So welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Laravel AI SDK media features text to speech. This is what exactly that audio file contains. Let me upload Hindi and Telugu videos also. This is Telugu, I believe. Let me try to transcribe this. Yeah, you see now Telugu transcribe is coming now. Now let me select the Hindi also. This is, I hope, Hindi. Eighth one is Hindi, I believe. Let me try to select this and let me try to submit. Yeah, we are getting the Hindi also. नमस्ते सभी को चैनल पर फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज हम चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं Laravel AI SDK media features text to speech. See, it is working powerfully, man. So 100% whatever we expected that we are getting. Perfect. This is all how we can work with the speech to text. But here we cannot upload the audio video files. We can upload only audio files only. But if you have any conversation, I mean, 2 3 people are talking together like in a podcast, I think really it is going to give you very nice way. Then you have to enable the diarization. If you are selecting a podcast video, just enable the diarization. I think it is going to give you a clear transcription from the audio file you have uploaded. That's all, guys. Finally, I created a video that is speech to text with the help of Laravel AI SDK. I hope you enjoyed this. This code is going to be uploaded in GitHub. If you want, you can download the code. And after downloading, you just change the key, your API key in env file, as well as in ai.php configuration file also you have to change the configuration. Thank you very much. We can see you in another exciting video.